All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel and welcome to the first Gear Talk Tuesday episode. Today we're talking about the Mosko Moto Gnat handlebar bag. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so welcome to the first Gear Talk Tuesday. In this segment, I'm going to try to post short 5-minute videos on pieces of gear that are appealing to you, the viewer. So leave some items in the comment. I'll try to go about finding them and giving you guys what you need for these videos. Now, there's going to be a few categories that we talk about in regards to the Gear Talk Tuesday videos. So let me tell you what they are before we get into our first review. First thing we're going to talk about is, what is the product? Is it tech? Is it a mod? Is it an upgrade? Or is it something for moto camping? Next, who's this piece of gear for? Is it for a creator? Is it for somebody riding big adventure bikes? Is it for the dual sport scene? What is this piece of gear going to do for you, the rider? Next up, obviously, we're going to talk about the main features of the product. We'll do a quick unbox, quick install if necessary. Then we'll talk about the pros and cons. That's it. Nice and clean, about 5 minutes. Something for you to watch every Tuesday here on the Drop Bike Diaries. All right, so in saying that, let's get into this first item. This is the Mosko Gnat handlebar bag. All right, so to me, what this does is it solves the problem of having a large tank bag on your bike. It's large enough for some convenience, but not too big that it's cumbersome and gets in the way while you're riding. Who's it for? I could see this being for anyone. I have seen these on big adventure bikes. Where I really feel like this bag would shine would be on a smaller bike, like a small dual sport bike. My Honda 300L Rally, really excited to chuck it on there. My friend Matt ordered one as well for his 690 Enduro. So I feel like this would be great on smaller, more compact, even dirt bikes. I feel like this would be a really good addition to anyone's kit. When it comes to features on this thing, it's very durable bag. Plus you have Mosko's really good warranty. I do want to say, not sponsored by Mosko at all in regards to this video. Just buying things that I feel like would benefit me as the rider. As you can see in the unboxing, it's got a lot of really good compartments. There's a designated spot for sunglasses. In this case, it'll be for my phone. It has a nice Velcro flap, so you can kind of tuck everything away, keep the dust and the mud and the elements out. Really, really good durable zippers. And as well, it comes with 2 Mosko Moto Volley straps or ski straps, which are just so handy for so much more. I mean, even though this thing's going to be mounted to your bike, if you needed a strap, you'd have the strap. They also claim that if you bought a longer third strap, you could really batten this thing down. But for me, I mean, at this point, you'll see once I mount it on the bike, I don't see the need for this. It does feel pretty secure for me, but I guess it all depends on what you're riding. So now that we have this thing unboxed, I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the bike. All right, so just 2 volleys or 2 ski straps. Not too tricky at all in the grand scheme of things. And they're just gonna wrap around and tighten up on the front side for an easy install, and then we'll tuck our straps back through so that they don't get in the way. Tuck that back in there. All right, and that's tight now. And there it is, and I'm just gonna shove it back down to where I kind of would want it, and it really resists. So I mean, that lets you know that it's gonna stay put, which I'm pretty excited about. All right, so let's take a look at what we can put into this bad boy. All right, so now that we've got this thing mounted, let's chuck some stuff into it so you can see what it can hold. All right, so first thing that I'm pretty stoked for is the fact that this thing will hold my phone right up front in a nice, cushy, velvety pouch. A couple other things you could put in there. You could switch that up completely and put something a little bit more sensitive. So we'll chuck my action camera in that compartment. Then we'll put the phone in the main compartment. Maybe throw a microphone in there into one of the other compartments. I mean, we're already starting to get pretty full here with that. I wouldn't say we could fit too much more in there. My wallet and maybe my pocket knife. But I mean, other than that, I would say at this point, it's pretty loaded up. So that's not bad. It's not a very big bag, I must say. It's gonna hold the bare essentials, and that's about it. All right, so final thoughts on the Mosko Moto Gnat handlebar bag. This is a bag that you're gonna enjoy if you have a smaller dual sport bike or a bike like mine, the 300L Rally, especially if you don't enjoy a big tank bag under your legs. If you're coming from a big adventure bike and you're looking to completely replace your tank bag, this is just a bag that's gonna be a little bit too small for that, and you're gonna find that you're not gonna fit all of the things that you would fit in a normal tank bag into a bag like this. So if you're one of those people who feel like you're looking for minimalism, this is something you can pick up at a reasonable price. So thanks for tuning in to the first edition of Gear Talk Tuesday. If you want to see some other gear videos that I put out there, here's a video about some of my favorite accessories for dual sport riding. And over here's a video that I put out on some purchases that I regret. Check those out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.